right, the big holiday weekend is upon us, and with that, let's take a look at the forecast. Everyone wants to know, how's it going to be? And we've seen plenty of heat, but it seems like it's getting out of town just in time.
It is. That hot, oppressive, dangerous
Nasty
heat.
stuff.
Yeah, very nasty. That's behind us. That's in the rearview mirror. More seasonable temperatures we are expecting over the next 5 days in northwest Arkansas, which does include the 4th of July, right around average for our temperatures. In fact, we will be just a degree above average on the 4th of July on Tuesday, but pretty strong cold front is modeled to roll through here later in the upcoming week, and that could really start to cool us down and bring us some much needed rainfall in northwest Arkansas as well as in the River Valley, right around the lower 90s for a good part of for the first half of the week. And then we start to slide the other way as we head into the end of the upcoming week. Many of you may have most of the week off, and you can get outside and enjoy those seasonable temperatures. 92 in Fayetteville today, 4 degrees above the average of 88. Meanwhile, in Fort Smith, things are nice and quiet, where we got up to 97. Another very warm day, but thankfully, it wasn't 104 or better. Your morning low actually tied the warmest ever morning for the date in Fort Smith. So not something you really want to hang your hat on, but it was very warm this morning. It's still very warm right now in northwest Arkansas. You can thank all of the cloud cover for that, acting as a blanket to kind of lock in these temperatures, which is why we're still in the mid 80s in the River Valley, a couple of up or lower 70s in the higher elevations. Dew points are starting to creep down ever so slowly, but 68, 69 for a dew point is much better than 75. It doesn't feel as oppressive when you go outside and you're hit with that wall of humidity. A front will really slowly cross tonight. It might spark off a shower or two. Most of us should remain on the dry side. And then that front, as it continues its march to the south and east, will probably get hung up near the Red River, and that could set the stage for, on the northern side of it, a couple of showers and storms to develop tomorrow afternoon south and along of I-40. Really not expecting severe weather, but can't rule out one storm becoming severe. Northwest Arkansas, I think, should be dry for most of your Sunday, and then that front will start to move back to the north on Monday, bringing with it, in the River Valley at least, maybe a chance for a sprinkle or two. There's that isolated storm threat tomorrow in the River Valley, and this could be the start of a pretty wet week. Weather Prediction Center saying, yeah, the whole area could see well over an inch of rain because of what's coming possibly Wednesday night with more widespread rain. 60s and 70s by the time you wake up tomorrow morning, 80s and 90s for our highs tomorrow. That's about where we should be for this time of the year. And you can see how temperatures drop by about 10 degrees as we get toward the second half of the week. I don't think any rain on Tuesday will ruin any 4th of July celebrations. Monday also looks pretty quiet as well. And finally in the River Valley, Paul, about the same thing, maybe an isolated shower tomorrow and Monday. The 4th looks okay, and then widespread rain as we get into Wednesday afternoon and evening.